touch me! Don't touch me, please!
Wagwan.
The man is troubling me, yeah?
Stop. She's a female, no, you can't do that. She's a female. Come. Old school and then. Come on. Yeah. Just like that. Hold it good.
Yeah, we'll share this. We'll share this. Yeah, we'll share this.
There's enough for two, no?
Yeah, I know, but we'll share.
So we're just out here in Croydon.
Have spoon.
Yeah, have spoon. Hold it good though. Hold it good.
Yeah. Oh.
Some food here for you. And you want one as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Got toothbrush, toothpaste inside.
That's cold, man.
No.
I always see you online, so I just wanted to be in.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Crazy, innit?
Yeah.
London.
Hopefully, this will help out. Who's gonna set up over there? Yeah. There's quite a few people at the train station today, innit? Alright, so yeah, man, this is. No, down there, Adam. Yes, people, so we're just reaching another art of the. You understand? The trenches. So we're in West Croydon right now. Wagwan, our price? Anything? Alright. Look, my man's walking past people's stools, yeah.
Does he even work in the shop?
Huh?
Does he even work in the shop?
He owns the shop. He doesn't work in there. It's his shop, fam. My man said half price, anything, you know. You understand? Oi, mate.
Oi.
This side. We need to be on this side of the road. Dave, how you been? Dave, how you been since the last time?
Well, the system kicked me over there,
Yeah.
and I'm around there. Someone's let me stay for a while.
Yeah.
He's on tape, he's got to be in by 6.
Yeah.
They moved my spot away from right. I went to Thameside that time for 5 days with my mum, so I had no fixed abode.
Yeah.
They never gave back my phone.
Yeah.
Come back, my home's gone, rebuilt it, and then they threw it away again for no reason whatsoever. And tell everybody I'm still here. It's me, David, and this is real. I love all the support.
Alright, Dave, look, I'm setting up the kitchen right here.
You're here now?
Yeah, I'm cooking right in.
Right, well, you cook here and I'm having a quick dance.
So look, you're in the front room and I'm in the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm going to have a dance.
Yeah.
And I'm here.
Cool.
And I've got more to talk about as well. Real.
Yeah.
This is real. West Croydon. This is the real deal. The streets. It's the real deal. And I want to teach the youth. But I'll have a dance and I'll talk more about it.
Alright, nice one, Dave. Uncle, you alright?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, yes, people. You are fruiters, people, yeah. The oldest shop in West Croydon that's been importing fruits and vegetables from around the world. You understand, people? We're cooking right here. Boom. Yes, people, so a good vibe. So we're set out in the kitchen right now. So at the moment, we only got some water in there waiting for the pan to boil up, people, yeah. You understand? And we've got the punk. Look, we're using a whole pumpkin today, people, yeah. So rich soup. We've got cocoa. Let me show you the cocoa. There's some cocoa, people, yeah. Some green banana. We've got some sweet potato from Uganda. So it's that colour there. You understand? We've got the yam. Where are we cooking today, people, yeah? Right in the heart of West Croydon, people, yeah. So our good vibes. Right here, sir. You are fruiters. This is where all the ingredients come from today, people, yeah. So yeah, man, big up one of the oldest shops, the oldest shop that's been importing fruits and vegetables from around the world. This one right here, people, yeah. Big them up, our good vibes. And come and check them out as well, because they got the things them. And their price is very, very, very reasonable here in Croydon as well, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Yes, people, so the kitchen's on a... Let me show you what I'm going about. Let me show you what I'm going. Oh, yeah, man, so in the pot right now, yeah, we've got cho. I see you spin the camera around and wheel it around and show you what really are going, people, yeah. So we're cooking right now, yeah. We have to switch up the location and move around right now. Because sometimes the people them coming out, they get complacent. You understand, people, yeah? So instead of them get too used to, we just keep it moving, people, yeah. On the go with the kitchen said way, you understand, people, yeah. And we have the kitchen right here, you understand. And remember the mission and remember the motive, you understand. We need to try and feed 1 million people, yeah. The UK has 71 cities, and we're gonna be tackling all of them cities there, people, yeah. You understand? Yes, Stretch, are good vibes. That is it. All right. So you see them cities there, them 71 cities. We're gonna be tackling them 71 cities, people, yeah. And that includes Ireland and that includes Scotland as well, people, yeah. So big up all of the whole UK and look out for Ringo Vision. You understand? We're on our way up, people, yeah. So you understand the country. We soon lock in, and you understand? That is it, a good vibe. So the kitchen here. I'm playing on gaming, so you know that we use a lot of tomato in this soup. It's not the authentic style with the Jamaican pot that we're doing, but guess what? Ringo Vision have him one style, and we are kick the thing, people, yeah. So I don't know, jot thing right now, yeah. So we're outside, people, yeah, and look, we're cooking here. We might be in your town, on your high street, somewhere very soon, you understand? Wheeling up the food. As you can see that this bus here is going straight to Brixton, you understand, people, yeah? And we're in the heart of West Croydon, you understand, people, yeah? So our good vibes, big up yourself. One more thing I want to say as well, we've fed 13,000 people. I'm going to put it into the community and show you guys the numbers, the exact numbers, but yes, we've done 13,000 plus people now, people, yeah? So our good vibes. Let's get these numbers going. That means this has to be on the go and fully active, and soon we need to be getting ourselves one of these, people, yeah, having a van, a mobile unit where we can actually be on the go, people, yeah, moving around from A to B. As you can see, there's a lot of space, so could you imagine, yeah, we could be cooking a whole load of food somewhere and also even be transporting food, you understand, have a tiny little kitchen in there somewhere where there's a little hub, and you understand, where I wheel it up. You understand, people, yeah? And as you can see, it's durable. 3 seats. So that is it. We need something like this, people, yeah, on the road. So yeah, man, let's go. The mission, what? The mission continues. As you can see where we park up. We've got a tiny little parking space, but we need a parking space like this, people, yeah? All right, big up yourselves. Hopefully in due time, with the help of you guys, we'll be able to get ourselves one of these vans and be on the road, people, yeah, with the mission. Innit, Adam?
Yes, mate.
That is it. Good vibes.
Me. Don't touch me, please.
Wagwan.
The man is troubling me, yeah? You see that? You see that?
How happened? Have you ever tried this before, people, yeah? Wow, amazing. And this is called mangosteen, yeah? And it's the queen of fruits. The queen. Understand? The queen of fruits. Yeah, man, people, yeah? And it's got a lot of protein. You understand? A lot of benefits, people, yeah? Do try it out. They look like this. And they're very expensive as well. A good vibes, big up yourself. We're there. Mad. Mangosteen, they ain't saying name, you know. This is the queen of fruits, people, yeah? So a good vibes. It's a must try. Yes, people, I'm going to check my brethren, Joe. I'm going to cut up some saltfish. And I eat coconut. It's on the saltfish, them, man. This is how a coconut me eating, the people, so excuse me. While I talk, understand? Andrew, I bust coconut too. Good vibe. Yes, everybody, so we're outside with the kitchen right now. Yeah, man, me and Adam's on the move right now to just go around town and just hand out the rest of the soup. We've completed cooking. 1 second, I'll soon show you because right there. It's a tricky one, we're outside now. Yeah, man, kitchen's outside, people, yeah, our good vibes. We're gonna stay through town right now. It's busy right now. We're leaving from out of the ghetto, going up on the high street quickly, and just to get me and just hand out the soup to the people them that's outside. That is it. It's free, isn't it?
Sorry.
These containers are right, yeah, because you got
Your hand cold?
no, my hands not cold. This plastic. Hey, Bobby, you right, yeah? Yeah, I'm good. Now, the plastic's just tough. Make sure. Yes, everyone, so we're just going to hand out some soup right now. A good vibes. Plastic's giving me enough trouble.
Oh, that smells, oh my gosh, that smells absolutely delicious.
And I've got dumpling.
No dumpling, because I told things, but I got yam.
That's calm,
Not
that's
too
calm.
much yam, please.
I got yam. Let's take out the big piece of yam. Yeah, alright.
Yeah. No, actually, you know what?
Go on, man.
That's
It's
all right,
it's
that's
some
cool.
food, man.
Yeah. I'm just never been very keen on yam.
There you go.
He's gonna give you a spoon and you have to eat it now, aren't you?
Is it?
And you're just saying you was hungry too.
Yeah.
Just want you taste. You just taste. Oh, give me a donation. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. How it tastes? A good vibe. Let's go. 'Cause I'm gonna hand out the soup now, because the people are waiting for the pot, you know.
All right.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna find the rest of the homeless people and give them their dinner.
Excellent.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much, yeah. Bless, man.
Bless. You want one as well? You sure? That one?
No, I'm good, my bro. Get to them, man. I'm good.
All right. Bless you.
Bless, yeah.
Oh, thank you, sir. Got some food as well, innit? Oh, please, yeah. Got some soup today.
Oh, brother, perfect. You guys are angels.
Hopefully, this will help out.
Thank you, my brother. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells beautiful. Thank you, my brother.
One love, yeah?
God bless you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you. God bless you guys. Thank you.
Yes, people are good vibes. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna go down the high street and hand out the rest of the food. Good vibes. From town now.
Okay, that's good, man. Yeah, dal, yeah? Is that dal?
No.
Giddiria.
No, this is vegetable.
Vegetable. That's good.
Last one.
Yeah, I have spoon. Hold it good. Hold it good though. Hold it good.
Oh,
Let me park up here. Let me give you a spoon.
can't put it.
Everybody have munzo.
When you see easy, man.
Munzo, one day.
You want one soup, brother?
I'm hungry, bro. I'm homeless, you know? I sleep in Queen Garden.
In Queen Garden, you sleep.
Yeah, I'm homeless now.
Okay. Alright, got some food here for you. And you want one as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, everyone, it's freezing cold out here, so you know that one of the main things to be putting into your body is some good food to keep you warm with some good nutrients in it. Like this has got yam, cocoa, it's got green banana, you understand? It's got okra, it's got coconut, it's got garlic, it's got ginger, it's got carrots, all the good stuff.
Wait. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You want a tissue? Any tissue?
Yeah.
Hello, girls.
You know, I've got some like little care pack.
What's that?
It's got toothbrush, toothpaste inside.
That's cold, man.
You want one? You what? You need one? You've got toothbrush, toothpaste inside. Yeah?
Do the footage.
Is much coming?
Bless you.
All right, brother.
You like some chicken as well?
Yeah.
Top of the pops. I like that. You brought it straight back to the 90s. Old school and them.
Come on.
Yeah. Just like that. Hold it good, hold it good.
Yeah, we'll share this. We'll
Sure.
share this. Yeah, we'll share this.
There's enough for two, no?
Yeah, I know, but we'll share
can't
this.
carry it.
Can't wait this
We'll
up.
go shopping too.
All right.
Say enough for
Thanks very much.
Let me give it. She can hold the tissue.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Bless you, look, yeah?
Cheers.
I love. Yes, everyone. So yeah, man, we're outside. We're on the high street. So there's people are just scattered around. So we just have to literally just walk around. That's why the shopping trolleys would walk around and come out the street.
Yo, bro, keep up the good work.
Yeah, man, respect. Yeah. Alright. That is it, people. Yeah. So we're just on the mission right now. Just hanging out with you on the high street. Yeah. Cold out here at the same time. So you know what it is, yeah? Croydon is full of everything. Everything's happening in Croydon at the moment. So you have to see the people there.
There you are.
Oh, hello.
I was looking for you earlier.
Yeah, traveling around town.
Yeah, man.
You guys good?
Alright, it's all good.
We was looking for you earlier.
Have a lighter, please.
We couldn't find you.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, oh yes, no, we came looking for you. No one told where the secret was. The fountain of youth.
Yeah.
Why are you?
Oh, thank you.
Don't video me. Everyone knows my voice anyway. I know, yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, on my love, please, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
We were
Thank
looking for
you,
you
bro.
earlier.
I'll come. I turn up, don't
We
worry.
couldn't find you.
Turn up.
Innit?
Hold it straight. Hold it.
Oh shit.
Yes, people. So yeah, man, we just have to travel around on the high street.
Hold
Fuck, we
it.
dropped
Baby,
it.
don't worry. Don't worry.
Sorry.
It's fine, come on.
Thank you,
There you
Ringo.
go, there you
Thank you, baby. That's my gloves. We was looking for
Thank you, bro.
you, my darling.
Thank you for the trainers yesterday.
Appreciate this, you know. So I was starving. I was.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
We was looking for you earlier. I couldn't
Hey,
find
look,
you.
I'm looking for you.
I've got some toothbrush and toothpaste. Does anyone need them?
No. We've got toothpaste. We don't need toothpaste.
Okay.
No, we have that. What don't you have? If we got, like, we're not being.
Does she need a woolly hat?
I don't wear the hats, my baby.
Alright, cool. All I've got right now is care pack, toothbrush, toothpastes and stuff like that.
Babe,
I love
you
the
need
care
that?
pack. Yeah.
Thank you kindly. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
What's going on now? What's going on in there? What's going on in there? Sorry about that. What's going on there? Stop. She's a female, no, you can't deal with her. She's a female. She's a female. Come. She's a female. No, you can't manhandle the female like that. Yeah, she's a female. No matter what, they're like two security men. No matter what they done, and plus she's in uniform, so you can't touch her, blood. You can't touch her.
She's broken the bag as well.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can't trouble her. You can't trouble her. Huh?
What happened?
You know kids, man.
Oh, yeah.
But they're big men. You can't trouble her. She's in uniform. Yeah, she's in uniform.
I'd like to get a little more now, please.
You want one more?
Yeah.
Bad.
I was like...
So bad.
Yeah. Alright, cool. I got one more.
Thank
Did I
you.
give you like one of these?
What's that?
I didn't even give you like a care pack. I got one.
Yeah, brother.
Have you got some gloves?
Oh, wicked. Toothbrush and all
Any
that.
gloves?
Grab them run out.
Oh, okay.
No, but no,
Thank
you know
so
what?
much.
Much appreciated. Brother. So wait.
Thank you.
I saw you down the market piece there before.
Yeah, but I'm just floating around town today, innit? Like just basically walking. This is the good point of the kitchen.
Nice.
That I can just float with it, innit?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. You're the next one.
So bad.
It's on camera.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ooh. We want to put a lid on that, or you right?
Yes, please.
Can you put a lid on that one there?
Are you gonna lid on that one, yeah?
Yes, please, brother.
Can you
Come
lid
on.
that one up?
Yeah, thank you.
Can you lid that one up?
Thank you. So when are you about then?
I'm about tomorrow.
When? What, up and down the strip again?
Up and down the strip.
Same times?
Literally, round about the same time. Let me work.
Respect. Yeah. That's need everything.
Are you cool?
Oh,
It's a rich suit. It's a rich suit.
proper thing.
Yeah,
No,
Thank you so much.
Respect. You see that, people? You see when they taste what's inside of the soup and certain ingredients. Down there, they only wanted one in it, Adam. See how quick they come back for the next one. Yeah, it's not a joke.
They come back a second time.
Listen, it's not a joke, mate. He's like, nah, you need to get your one. Even if you don't have it, I'm gonna have it. Let's clean up the utensils. Let's go.
Thank
You ready?
my darling.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I appreciate this.
No, we're on the go. We're on the go.
You're a good man.
Bless, yeah? Bless, Luke.
Yeah, darling.
Now, we'll do.
Happy
Yo,
New Year.
come help with the trolley, man, and leave all of that. Come,
It's a good man.
Come, let's do one quick round on the strip.
I didn't come into the long man.
I know, but come, 20 minutes. Put in some work back for the community quickly. Let's go. We're gonna share some food, innit?
Yeah, I understand. What time did you come here?
Me, I've been here since like early hours before it was dark. Yeah, man. With Joseph. Yeah, basically, he's just fighting against man, isn't it? Indirectly though. Indirectly. Not a direct fight, but indirectly. But we'll talk about that separately, people, yeah, so we're on this mission right now. And have some food. And I'll be fine.
They had valleys on. I said, bro, take the valley off. I didn't take the valley off.
So we're just out here in Croydon, stop and search.
You know what? I would
I always see you online, so I just wanted to be in.
Yeah, alright, big up yourself.
Croydon, innit?
Yeah.
London.
Come on. Yeah, but we're outside, people, yeah. Yeah, man, we've just been walking around town today, feeding the people and giving to the homeless people. But we don't know what these youths here got on them. But at the same time, I'm just showing you that, yeah, this is what's happening out here. Bare things have been happening today, people, yeah. In the park, on the way out, just now, in Primark, getting here on the high street, we just come out. We're handing out some food out here, people, yeah. Good vibe, said we, you understand? Putting in some work in the community. Hello, love, would you like some food? Would you like some? I now got some food. Would you like some food? Would you like some food? Soup. 3 on 2, you know. Soup? Yeah, give it.
Man was ready to run you down.
He's moving savage as well.
Relax.
Yeah, mama's not even. He's not.
I'm gonna charge you, man. How close you are, bro, man? Your license or what? Innit? You have a license? You ain't even talking on that.
After all that. What was that all about?
Yeah, no money. You're good.
I saw them drive this way and they was... Come on, you're doing too much, man. You're my face, everything. Yo. You can do what you want. You can sit there for 10 minutes. No.
Some of them old man here though, yeah, like look. The man they passed there take like 20 years. Long time. Different. The man they might not even have a license, but because of their age and how they're flexing, they're just cutting through. Driving. Yeah, God.
They look like that. That's what they want to see.
See those two youths, they're awesome.
Look, this is not normal, people, yeah? How is this normal? How is this normal?
You can't do that, man.
Listen,
You can't
listen,
do
listen.
that, man. This is a business.
Listen, hello, big man. Hello. Hello, you can't do that in here. You can't do that in here. Listen.
Don't even inhale that, man. Don't even inhale that.
Come out the shop and see.
Come out the shop. Come out the shop.
Inhale that, man.
Come out the shop. Come out the shop. Come out the shop. Come out the shop.
I don't even inhale that thing there.
You see what it is, people, yeah? Leave your door open. Leave your door open. Yeah, leave your door open. Out here is not even a joke, people, yeah? Look.
He blanked all of us. What is there? The stacks out of fucking crack on the floor.
Listen, that is not a joke. Look, he walked past everyone and he's walking around, and that's past mental health. That's not mental health, but it's gotten so serious here where he's lost himself, and the inner being that's there, that's taken over here, don't give up. It's just doing its own thing and it's running rage on the roadside. That is not on a pen. That's on a million. Like, sometimes say to people, yeah, this is Croydon, yeah. We're out, we're giving back to our local community.
You know he's gonna do this. You know he's kind of long there doing probably the same thing. A long time, bro. Man's from the crowd. I've never seen that. Man's from Brixton,
Yeah. That's not joking though. What my man is doing, what he just did is serious, dad. Yeah, what he just did is serious.
Go around the corner, do it in the garage, do it in the bin shed, do it somewhere. Don't do it.
Mate, he went into people in the shop, like.
I thought he was going in there to have a sleep.
That's what I thought he was going in there to sit down. Like literally. Mad. I've been looking for you, mate. Where you been?
No express. You alright, brother? Yeah.
Hello.
You got some soup?
You guys say happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yeah. But then it's like, it's always in like 8.
You still know the
You know what's funny about life, yeah? It's all fake.
It's a night.
Just
Every year,
trust.
Thank you.
how this year.
Yeah.
Shall I leave you 2 bowls?
The time we're living in right now is fake.
Yeah? I'll leave you 2 bowls and I'll lock one up for you. Drink that one and I'll lock one up for you.
Half of it ain't even lit.
I make sure this one eats some food because he does actually eat, so while I walk, I'll just give him an extra one to just, you get me, just balance up himself with.
Depending on if you wanna live into it or not. Good?
Yeah.
You're better now, yeah? That's good.
I was hungry, but then I gave up because them lot said that you went that way. And I was like, why would he go that way? Because I was thinking you would go down to Reed's Corner.
Okay. That's the extra one there for you, yeah?
Thank you.
Tissue there as well, yeah?
Did you guys have a good Christmas?
I had a good Christmas day, but
Trust.
I had a good one, man.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Good vibes, alright? Man, freezing cold. I know Adam's hand's cold as well because he's holding the camera.
Freezing, brother.
Mate. Big man. You know what it is, yeah? You're a lucky guy, you know. Why is that? Because you're getting like the last of the soup. What? Oh, these are. Why is he dying? He just bit the
white and he can't have fun.
No, he get it. What happened?
I love your food. One of these lot put a Scotch bonnet in your thing. Ah!
Let's go and get some milk.
Yes, please.
Come, let's go and get that milk.
I only found out that saying that his brethren was the one who
Yes, everybody, thank you very much. What it is, people, yeah, we're here, we're in West Croydon. Today's been a marvellous day. But despite the whole activity of the good vibes and going out and handing out the food, that was amazing. Everyone got fed that was supposed to get fed. We fed as much people as we could. Empty pot as usual, you understand, people, yeah? But we came out today and me, Adam and Lucky saw something that we never ever thought that we'd ever see. And I just want you guys to share it. Share the video, you understand? Because we need to spread the awareness, and especially what we saw in the video earlier, we need to expose that. What was happening in the park, people, yeah? The kids in Primark, you understand? Mum, dad, just try and look out and be mindful for your kids then, because sometimes our own kids can be a little bit loud, you understand? So when they get outside in the street, they're not generally bad kids, but sometimes they get excited, you understand? Because they're in groups and whatnot. So just be mindful. We can't just put the kids them down to the ground. We have to uplift them. So we can't, you understand, just be beating them down all the time. But let's try and help them. And when they're stepping out of line, you understand, we talk to them, and you understand, people, yeah, a good vibes, pick up yourself, one love. The mission continues. We've got 1 million people to feed everybody here. All right, that is it. Let's go. Good vibes. That's it. Completion today. Good vibes.